Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly ad circular channel. Today we have very great deals on Dollar General. Prices are valid from October 2nd to 8th. Let's get started. 9 Lives Cat Food, sale $10.50. 9 Lives Cat Food, 10 for $6. Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, $7 final price with coupon. Angel Soft Bath Tissue 6 Mega Rolls or Ultra 6 Mega Rolls, $5 to 6.25. Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent, $4.35 final price with coupon. Armour Bacon, sale $4.50. Assorted Groceries, $1. Axe Body Wash, Reg, $5 each. BODYARMOR Sports Drink, $1.40. Bai Drinks, 2 for $3.50. Betty Crocker Favorites Cake or Brownie Mix, sale $1.25. Betty Crocker Frosting, 2 for $3. Blow Pop Halloween Caramel Apple Pops, Tootsie Pops Miniatures, Tootsie Pops or Tootsie Roll Mid, sale 2 for $6. Brach's Mellowcreme Autumn Mix or Pumpkins, Candy Corn or Milk Maid Caramels, $2.25 to $2.50 each. Brownie Paper Towels, sale $6.95 final price with coupon. Bridgford Sausage Sticks, $4.25. Butterfinger Baby Ruth Crunch Fun Size 6-pack or 100 Grand Fun Size 5-pack, $1 each. Campbell's Soup Chicken Noodle or Tomato, 4 for $5. Canine Carry Outs Dog Treats Beef or Bacon, $4.95. Cheetos, 2 for $5 final price with coupon. Chips Ahoy Cookies, $3.65. Clover Valley Mac and Cheese Cups 4-pack, $3.50. Crush Schweppes Mug or Brisk, 3 for $10 final price with coupon. DG Health Daytime or Nighttime Cold and Flu Liquid, $4. DG Health Omeprazole or Esomeprazole, $12. Dollar Deals, $1. Doritos, 2 for $6 final price with coupon. Dove Body Wash, Bar Soap, Skin Care, Deodorant or Hair Care, $1 to $11. Downy Liquid Fabric Softener 150 or Beads, $8.95 final price with coupon. Downy or Gain Liquid Fabric Softener, Downy Beads Assorted Scents or Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets 160 CT, $9.95 final price with coupon. Dunkin' K-Cups, Folgers K-Cups, Green Mountain or Donut Shop K-Cups or McCafe K-Cups or ground coffee, $6.95. Eckrich Smoked Sausage, $3.95. Febreze Plug Refill, $5 final price with coupon. Finish Quantum Automatic Dishwasher Detergent or Jet Dry, $4.75 to $14. Folgers Ground Coffee, 2 for $7. Forever Pals Lightweight Litter, $8.95. Forever Pals Puppy Pads, $11.50. Forever Pals Squeaky Bunny Toy Variety Pack, Rope Infinity Ring, Large Dog Collar or Small Leash, $5.25 to $5.95. Frito-Lay Multi-Pack, $845 final price with coupon. G Halogen Bulbs, $4.50. G Halogen Light Bulbs, $5 each. Gain Products, $3.50 final price with coupon. Gain Products, $12.95 final price with coupon. Gain Power Blast TM Dish Spray, $3.75. General Mills Cereal or Cinnamon Toast Crunch Oatmeal or Lucky Charms Oatmeal or Post Cereal, 2 for $5. Glade Holiday Air Spray, $1 each. Glade Scented Oil Starter Kit, $1 final price with coupon. Good Cook Cookware or Bakeware, $5 to $15 each. Gravy Train Dog Food, $9.95. Halloween Candy, $2. Halloween Decor, $1. Halloween Decor, $3. Halloween Decor, $5. Halloween Masks or Makeup, $10 and under. Halloween Party Wear, $1. Heartland Farms Dog Food, $5.25. Heartland Farms Kitten Food, $4.50. Heartland Farms Dog Food Steak and Vegetable 15 pounds. Or Cat Food 10 pound, $10.50. Heartland Farms Rawhide Retriever Sticks 3 CT. Or Jumbo Bone 1 CT, $4.50. Hershey's King Size Candy Bar, 4 for $7. Hershey's, Reese's or Kit Kat Jumbo Bags, 2 for $10. Hive Pure Honey 12 ounces. Or Good and Smart Almond Butter 10 ounces, $4.50. Honey Maid Grams or Fresh Stacks Grams or Nilla Wafers, 2 for $8. Huggies Jumbo Pull-Ups Training Pants, $8.95 final price with coupon. Huggies Jumbo Snug and Dry Diapers, $7.50 final price with coupon. Eames Dog Food Minishunks Chicken or Lamb or Large Breed, $19.95. International Delight Iced Coffee, $4.25. Java Monster Energy Drink, 3 for $7. Kellogg's Cereal, $3.50 each. Kit Kat or Payday, $1.25 to $9.45. Kraft Mac and Cheese Cups, $5.35. Little Debbie Mini Muffins or Sunbelt Bakery Family Packs, $3. Love's Super Box Diapers, $19.95 final price with coupon. Lysol Disinfectant Spray or Fabric Disinfectant, $4.50 to $7. Mars bag or Skittles fun size bag, 2 for $6. Mars Halloween bags, $5.50 to $14 each. Maxwell House K-Cups, ground coffee original, Colombian or breakfast blend, $8.50. Mentos gum fresh mint, spearmint, grape, red fruit, citrus, white peppermint or white bubble, $3.45. Monster Energy drink, $5.95 final price with coupon. Nabisco Ritz Fresh Stacks Crackers Original or Nabisco Premium Fresh Stacks, 2 for $7. Nestle Toll House Morsels, 2 for $5. Old El Paso, 2 for $4. Old El Paso Taco Dinner Kit, $2.50. Pace Picante Sauce, $3.50 each. Pedigree Small Dog or Puppy Dog Food, $6.85. Pedigree Tender Bites or High Protein Chicken and Turkey Dog Food, $7.85. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil, $7.35. Pepsi or MTN Dew, 3 for $5. Pepsi or MTN Dew, 4 for $12. Pringles Super Stack, $1.95. Purina Cat Chow Cat Food, $14.50. Quaker Cereal, 2 for $6. Quilted Northern Bath Tissue Ultra Soft and Strong or Ultra Plush, $8.95. Ragu Pasta Sauce, $2.50. Reese's Pumpkins, $3.50 each. Scott Bath Tissue 1000 Sheets, $8.25.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.